Here you go, a 2015 Transit. 61,000 kilometers on it, just over. Perfect for any business. Just give you a look inside here. All your sterling shelving. Great for business. And we'll give you a look on this side as well. Now, if you do have a business, this is going to carry everything you need it to do, small, medium, or large. We do have a backup camera. Very nice. You'll find it at Brown Brothers Ford Lincoln, 270 Southeast Marine Drive in Vancouver.